Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make this beautiful earring. So for this we will need this red silk thread, this red ball chain, this stone chain or string, this spring kind of bead cap, this stone spacer bead, two crystal golden bead, a small golden bead, and this golden half bead, this canvas paper. So let's start, and first I will make this part, and for this apply fabric glue. Stick this bead, then take this stone chain, so cut it from here. And stick it like this to make a leaf like shape. Then take this red ball chain, measure it, cut it from here. Apply some glue. Stick it like this. Now let it dry for about 1 hour, and till then we will make this part. So for this, first of all I am going to make this big tassel, and for that start wrapping this thread and take it around 100 rounds. After wrapping around 100 rounds, take it out from your finger and tie it to make a proper tassel. And stick the remaining thread so that it should not come out. Now to make this tassel we will need 50 rounds. So let's start with this. After wrapping about 50 rounds, take it out from your fingers, fold it into exactly half portion. Take this tassel and wrap it around this so that it cover whole tassel properly, like this. Spread the threads. Now tie this. Now take some glue and stick it properly. Now take a brass wire. Now wrap this wire properly. And insert this bead cap. Now take a crystal bead. Then this stone spacer bead. Then one more crystal bead and a golden bead. Now fold this wire to make a loop. And cut the excess wire. And press it inside the bead. Now cut these threads. Now take this stone string and stick it here. Apply some glue. And stick it properly. Now this part is ready. After it get dried up completely, cut this part. Now cut one more part to stick in its back side. It's not necessary that it should be of same size. It's just there to cover it, so it's covering. Now take a jump ring and insert a small piece of canvas paper in it. And this attachment. Now close this properly. And stick it here like this. Now stick one more piece of canvas paper to cover this part. Press it properly. Then take a piece of canvas paper and insert a ear stud in it like this and apply some gum. And stick it properly and press it for some time. Let it dry for 15 minutes to half an hour. So after it get completely dried up, our earring is looking like this. Hope you like this video, and if you like this, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you.